Dear parent and student, welcome back to the Test Prep Card channel. Hope all of you are doing great in your life. We are once again back with one more very important video in the NIT series, and which is going to be about NIT Sikkim. Okay, we will be discussing about the various topics under NIT Sikkim, and the topics include, first of all, we will be seeing the basic overview, means the brief introduction of NIT Sikkim. Then we'll be moving to the eligibility criteria there, then the NRI quota, the reservation for NRIs, reservation for Indian candidates, what is the application process, what are some of the previous year cutoffs to get admission in NIT Sikkim, and at last we'll also be seeing the fee structure and scholarships available at NIT Sikkim. Okay, so let us start with a brief overview or brief introduction of NIT Sikkim. So NIT Sikkim is one of the 31 NITs in India. Okay, it was generally established in the year 2010, means it is a new NIT, we can say. It is also known as NIT SKM, and it is situated in the Ravangla place in Sikkim. Okay, so this is all about the basic overview. If I tell you about the connectivity, means how well it is connected with the railway station or with the airport. So it is generally 70 kilometers from the Pakyong airport. It is 130 kilometers from Bagdogra airport, and about 120 kilometers from New Jalpaiguri Junction railway station. So this is about the connectivity of NIT Sikkim with airport and railway station. Means it is not very well connected, but not also very far away. Okay, so let us move to the eligibility criteria. Okay, so as the exam through which you can get the admission in NIT Sikkim is JEE MAIN, so the eligibility is same as for JEE MAIN. You should have at least 75% of your marks in your class 12th board for general candidate and 65% aggregate for SC or ST candidates. Okay, but for the academic year 2021 it is not there. This criteria is removed due to pandemic situation, but from the next year onward it will be there. The second thing is you can consecutively attempt your JEE main examination 3 times. Okay, means you have attempted it, for example, in 2021, then you have attempted it in 2022, and then you can attempt it in 2023. You can't attempt it in 2024. Okay, so this is generally the eligibility criteria there. The NRI candidates can also get admission here with their SAT or SAT scores. Okay, now what is the eligibility for MTech courses or postgraduate courses in NIT Sikkim? So for MTech courses you should have at least 60% or 6.5 CGPA in your respective BTech degree. Okay, means your bachelor's degree. So this is the basic eligibility for MTech. Now let us move to the NRI quota in NIT Sikkim. So are there any seats that are reserved for NRIs? So yes, under DASA scheme, admission are provided to NRI students at NIT Sikkim. Talking about the reservation of seats there, so there are a total of about 160 seats in NIT Sikkim, out of which 14 seats are specially reserved for the candidates from NRI category. In electronics and communication, there are 4 seats reserved for NRIs. In computer science, there are 5 seats reserved for NRI candidates. And in electrical and electronics engineering, there are also 5 seats reserved for NRI candidates. Okay. Now let us move to the reservation for Indian candidates in NIT Sikkim. So first of all, 50% of seats are specially reserved for the home state candidates. What are the home state candidates? Means the candidates whose home state or the domicile they are living in Sikkim, or they have done their schooling from the state Sikkim, they are considered to be home state. First of all, from all the total seats, 50% of seats are reserved for them. Secondly, talking about the category wise reservation, so 7.5% of seats are specially reserved for ST candidates, 15% are reserved for SC candidates, scheduled caste. Okay, 27% of seats are reserved for OBC or other backward classes, and at last 10% of seats are reserved for economically weaker section or EWS category. Now apart from this, in each of these categories which I have mentioned, 5% of seats are specially reserved for physically handicapped or PWD candidates. Okay, so this is all about the reservation for Indian candidates. Now talking about the required entrance examination, so for undergraduate we very well know that it is JEE main or the SET, and talking about the postgraduate courses, it is going to be GATE examination. Okay, Now let us move to one more very important topic, which is the courses offered by NIT Sikkim. What are the different streams through which you can pursue your BTech or your MTech degree? Okay, so talking about the BTech degree, so you can pursue a BTech from 5 streams at NIT Sikkim, and the streams are civil engineering, computer science engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, and at last it is the royal branch, which is mechanical engineering. So these are the 5 streams from which you can pursue your Bachelor of Technology. Okay, now let us move to the MTech courses which are offered by NIT Sikkim. So there are 7 to 8 MTech courses, namely computer science engineering, control systems, okay, electrical engineering, then comes electronics engineering, microelectronics engineering, power engineering, and at last it is VLSI designs. So these are the courses under MTech in NIT Sikkim. Okay, so before moving ahead in the video, let me tell you about the NRI ebook prepared by Test Prep Card, especially for the NRI candidates, and you can download it from the link given in the description section of this video. So I will recommend you that please watch the complete video and then visit the description section and consider downloading the NRI. Okay, now let us move to one more very important topic, which is cutoff. Why cutoff is important? Because it gives you a target that how much rank you have to focus on to get admission at your required branch at NITs. Okay, so we will be talking about the cutoff for home state first, and then we will be talking about the cutoff for other state. Okay, so talking about the cutoff for Indian students for home state candidates, means whose home state is Sikkim. So the cutoff is very far away, means they require very less marks as the number of candidates in Sikkim are very less. So the cutoff rank are in few lakhs. Okay, so for computer science engineering, the closing rank previous year was 3,29,000. Okay, so it is very far away rank. For electrical, it was the massive 9,20,000. Okay, this is for home state candidates. For electronics and communication, it was 6,08,000. For mechanical engineering, it was 8,22,000, and for civil engineering, it was 7,77,000. So it was the cutoff for home state candidates at NIT Sikkim. Now we have divided the other state cutoff in 2 categories: male cutoff and female cutoff. So for other state candidates, means who are living in other states of India apart from Sikkim, for male candidates, for computer science engineering, you should have a rank under 26,000. There is a very big difference in home state and other state. For electrical, you should have a rank under 38,000. For electronics and communication engineering, you should have a rank under 32,000. For mechanical engineering, you should have a rank under 42,000. Okay, and for civil engineering, you should have a rank under 47,000. Talking about the female candidates from other states of India, for computer science, you should have a rank under 33,000. For electrical, you should have a rank under 48,000. For electronics and communication, you should have a rank under 42,000. For mechanical engineering, you should have a rank under 56,000. And at last, in order to get admission at NIT Sikkim, the cutoff for civil engineering is 58,000. Okay, so these are the respective cutoffs for the home state candidates and the other state candidates. Talking about the NRI cutoffs, you can find the link given in the description section of this video. So you can find the NRI cutoffs there. Okay, now let us move to one more very important topic, which is the application process. How to apply. So as the entrance exam required is JEE MAIN, so we will be basically telling you about the how to apply for JEE MAIN examination, and at last how to get admission at NIT Sikkim. So first of all, you should register yourself for JEE MAIN examination. The registration forms or the application forms are generally out in the month of September. Okay, so you have to register there. You have to fill your personal details, your communication details, your address details, and your educational qualification mark sheets, like your class 10th mark sheet and your class 12th mark sheet. Means if you are appearing in class 12 this year, then there is no need to upload any class 12. There they will be giving you option that you class 12 appearing or you class 12 passed. If you will fill their class 12 passed, then only you have to upload your class 12 mark sheet there. Okay, then you have to upload your scanned photograph and signature, and then the application form filling will be completed. Then the second step, you have to download the admit card. You have to attempt the JEE MAIN examination. You have to score a decent score. Then you will get the result where your all India rank will be mentioned, and according to that you will be filling the JOSA counseling. Okay, At the JOSA counseling, you will be filling your college choices, and if you have filled the college choices NIT Sikkim, and if your rank is the rank required is the rank which you have, so you will be getting the admission there. You have to report the college, and then the admission procedure will be completed. So this is the application process. Means I have tell you the full application process from the basic application form filling till getting admission at NIT Sikkim. Okay, so this is all for the application process. Now let us move to the last topic of this video, which is again a very important topic to be discussed, which is the scholarships available. Now before knowing what are the scholarships available there, you must know what is the fee structure. Okay, so talking about the fee structure for Indian candidates, means the candidates who are from India or who are living in India, the fee structure for them is 73,000 rupees per semester. Okay, this can vary from the next semester, but this will not vary very much. This can be plus minus 5,000, but generally the fee for Indian candidates is 73,000 per semester. Apart from this is only the tuition and academic fee, means this is not the hostel and mess fee. The hostel and mess fee is about 34,000 per semester, so we will not be taking that into consideration. We will be taking the academic fee, which is 73,000. Okay, now the fee structure for NRI candidates. So for the NRIs under CIWG category, the fee is around 62,500 per semester, and the NRIs under DASA category, their fee is around $4,000 per semester. So this is all for the fee structure at NIT Sikkim. Now talking about the scholarships, so there will be 100% of tuition fee off for SC, ST or physically handicapped candidates. Okay, now there will be full tuition fee re-emission for general, EWS and OBC candidates whose family annual income is less than 1 lakh rupees. Okay, and there will be 2/3 of fee re-emission for the candidates, for the general, EWS and OBC candidates whose family income is from 1 to 5 lakh rupees per annum. So this is all for the scholarships available at NIT Sikkim. Hope you like the video, hope you like the content. If you like the video, then like it. Okay, consider subscribing the channel, press the bell icon for more such content from us. And if you have any doubt, then do comment down. Test Prep Cup team will be trying to reply you as soon as possible. Okay, thanks a lot.